I just really wanna patronize and support more locally made Filipino products. Filipino talent is really good. And I hope you guys learn that we Filipinos are really talented in what we do and what we offer in the society. Hi, what's up guys? It's Shannen again and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since... Yeah, I've been really busy. Like, I swear, I've been really busy with work, and I'm so sorry if you guys are wondering where I am and all. And some of my content isn't that good na siguro, so I just wanna say sorry because I've been really busy. But now I'm back and I am going to do another review haul kind of video. And this time, like I said in my previous video, this time I'm going to talk about and show you guys what I bought. What I bought that are locally made, Filipino made, because I love my race, I love my culture, I love being Filipino. So why not I share to you guys a local Filipino shopping haul. So I guess that's so the first thing I want to share to you are the clothes that I bought. Clothes or like accessories or something. So anyway, the first item I wanted to share are these mules. These mules that I got from Purple Soul Philippines. So at Purple Soul Philippines. So I bought these mules and they are for 950 pesos. And because I wanted this, I wanted to buy some mules because I like the style of mules nowadays, and this looks really cute when I saw it in the Instagram. And when I got it, it looks really good. It pairs well with like when I wear jeans and tattered ripped jeans and all, because it looks feminine, and I really like wearing these shoes from Purple Soul. I like the style, I like the mule style, and I like the color of this. But just the disadvantage of this kind of shoes is I wouldn't say it's really low quality. I wouldn't say low quality. I would also say that it's super high. It's high quality kind of leather because I think it's synthetic leather. But I feel like sometimes when I wear it, I tend to worry that it will easily be destroyed or like ripped out, because sometimes I feel like the quality isn't that good. But as of now, it's still there. It's still intact and still looks good. See? I've had it for 1 month, so it still looked good for a 950 pesos. Overall, I think it's a good buy for you guys to check out. So check out Purple Soul. They have other shoes that are really cute. So yeah. Next is a dress that I got from Trendsetters Bazaar. And I bought this wrap dress from, I don't know how to say it, Ripe's Backyard by Ira Oiko. So she's an influencer that I follow in social media, and she has an online shop. And I really wanted a wrap dress from anywhere, but I just really wanted a wrap dress. And when I saw this in her booth in the bazaar, I said, "Oh, this is so cute and all." So I just bought it right away, and it was on sale for like 400 pesos. I love the color. I love these kinds of colors. So it looked really good, fit really well. It's just that the fabric of this dress, I have a problem with fabrics that are kinda too thin. I don't know what kind of fabric this is, right? Suspender? No, half cotton, half I forgot the name of but it's stretchy. The thing that I was apprehensive was when I wore it, parang you really need to wear seamless bra, seamless panty, cause like it outlines like your body shape. So you just have to be careful on your underwear. So wear seamless underwear. It just also shapes my tummy. So I have to wear like Spanx like underwear. So like parang but this is a really cute dress. I really like it. I really like the color and the fact that it's just 400 pesos and deal, and I really like it. I really like it. So I like for my first kind of wrap dress, I like it. So okay. And the last clothing item that I want to share to you is this shirt that I also bought from Trendsetter. So I bought this shirt from a store called Revamp, and what I really like about this shirt was because it says Manila, Manila, and at the back it says The Life of Mang Jose. So The Life of Mang Jose, so I think it's a tribute to Jose Rizal, our Filipino hero. So I don't know, it reminded me, when I first saw this, it reminded me of GD's Mote concert t-shirt, and I really wanted to buy it, but it's like 2K, and I'm like, I don't want to buy a 2K with just like simple like this, so I'll just whatever. But anyway, so I bought this. I got it for like 500 pesos. Really good. I just wore it right now. I like it. I really like it. So it's just really simple, but it just pays tribute to Jose Rizal, the Filipino culture, and Manila in a very hypebeast street style way. So, and a simple kind of shirt. So yeah, I liked it. Okay, next is makeup. So you can't not share something for makeup. So I bought 2 items, all in the same brand called BLK, and BLK. This is a trio palette of contour, highlight, and blush. And so yeah. So first, this is the packaging for the contour, and it's really cute. I like it. I like the fact that it's pink and black and white, because those are like some of my aesthetics sometimes. So yeah, packaging of the box is really cute, and this is how it looks like. It has a really big mirror, so I like it. And so this is the contour, highlight, and blush in flushed. So there's another palette that's more peachy. So I bought this, and so far so good. I like the pigmentation of this, and I like the pigmentation of the contour. The highlight, I got surprised when I tried it. Well, I have highlight right now here. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm using highlight. I'm also using the blush. I'm also using the contour on this, but not so much, because like, simple. But anyway, I use these. I've been using this for the past 2 months already, and so far it's so good. Really good product. Its pigmentation is okay, not the best. I wanted the highlight to be more pigmented, but when I step out of the sun, my cousin said, grabe, your highlight is on fleek. So I didn't know until she said na my highlight is on fleek when I was outside. So I don't think you can see it here right now, but when you go outside, and then contour, pigmented. Yeah, this is pigmented and not super pigmented, because I don't want contours that are super pigmented. This one is only for 500 pesos. Like, good deal, man. And for those on a budget, try BLK. This is a really good contour, highlight, blush palette. Next is the eyebrow that I got. So this is the eyebrow. Yeah, there are 2 shades, taupe and medium brown, something like that. So I got the medium brown, and I really like this eyebrow. It fills up my eyebrows really good, and I just like it. The downside of this though is like the packaging. I don't know if you can see it. Packaging is like tearing apart. Like the labeling is like almost gone. So, okay. But other than that, it's a good deal. It's only for like 300 pesos, I think. So I'm like, oh my god, and Curtis, you did a good job for these cosmetics. So I bought these. These are really good products, makeup products who are under the budget. So why don't you try BLK Cosmetics? Done deal. Oh, and the last item I just want to share to you guys. A friend of mine just gave me this item, and it's really cute. This is a pillow from Imprint Customs. Thank you, Gian and Memeng, for giving me this. They just gave it to me free, and I just like small pillows, and it's a really cute pillow. So for you guys who want, they customize pillows, shirts, hats, anything, printing shops, whatever. They customize designs. So if you wanna check him out, check the store out. It's down in the description box and here in the video. So Imprint Customs, you guys. Thank you, Gianna. So that's it. So those were the Filipino brands and local goods that I bought, because I just really wanna patronize and support more locally made Filipino products, because Filipino talent is really good. And I hope you guys learn that we Filipinos are really talented in what we do and what we offer in the society. So I hope you guys are interested to buy some of these products and more. Check out the description box below and comment on what you really like, and comment on the things that you also wanna try out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay grateful and have a great day ahead of you. So paalam!